Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey, I just wanted to say a little thank you for all your support, everyone out there that's watching my videos and clicking like and subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. The response has been overwhelming. We're approaching 100 subscribers and I'm really excited about that. It's something I never thought I'd be able to do. All I'm doing here is just something I love, woodworking and leaving a video legacy for my grandchildren and their children. After I'm gone, they can continue to see what their papa was like. So anyway, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go to my channel. I am giving away Beer Flight to one lucky winner. I'm going to be doing this on Father's Day. If you go down through the Facebook page, you'll see the post. Just go ahead and like the post, share the post, and come back to my YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe. And that's going to qualify you to win. And we're gonna ship it wherever it needs to go, whoever the winner is. So we're going to randomly draw that. So, all right, thank you so much. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thank you again.